Hello, welcome to Clear Creek Solution instructional videos. Today we're going to go over how to navigate the program WHMM-SWMM. So how do we navigate this main screen? As you can see, I have a model, a lot of swim, a lot of HSPF elements. This is a fairly bulky model. How do I navigate the screen so I can see what I want, or maybe access the elements that I want to see without having to go through and manually click them and all that stuff? So first thing you're going to know is if you click the mouse wheel, it can move your view of the model. So I'm just clicking the center mouse wheel and doing this and moving my mouse. Okay, so that just allows you to change the focus of your camera, so you can move it all the way over here, up here, down over here, so you can see different parts of your model. So that's what the mouse center button does. If you want to zoom in, just use your mouse wheel just like any other program to zoom in. So I can see this basin very clearly here, and move the other way to zoom out. So I'm not pressing it, I'm just rotating the mouse wheel in to zoom in and out to zoom out. And now these features here can also be done on the keyboard. So if you don't want to use your mouse, you can use the arrow keys to move up, so to pan. And you can use the plus or minus keys to zoom in and out. So that can also be done that way if you don't have a mouse with you. That can easily be done from the keyboard. Now, if you right click on your mouse and select an area, it'll zoom in on that area. So that's also another way to zoom in. So I'm just right clicking on the mouse, selecting area, and it is zooming in with this box. So the box shows you the area that's going to zoom in, and then you just right click. Now left clicking will select elements. So as you can see, this left click, it selected all these elements here. You can do that anywhere. To deselect them all, just press the escape button. So then those elements aren't selected anymore. Now by right clicking, it'll pull up multi-select options. So when you do use that left click to select all these elements, you can control what it selects. So let's say you only wanted, so see, I had the option junction selected, so I'm going to deselect that. Let's say I just wanted to select basins. There we go. So you see when I left clicked and dragged, it just selected basins. So that's what the multi-select option does here. And you can do that for any sort of element. You can do for storage. So as you can see, it's selected the two storage facilities here, so it can work for all the different kinds of elements, links, nodes, and etc. So another way to search and find elements is using the map query button. So this is what this is going to do, is find a specific element for you. So if you have a large project with lots of elements, lots of swim elements, lots of basins, you can use this to quickly find the one you're looking for, especially if you named it. So this will select what you find. So let's say I want to find a basin slash sub catchment. This is all of them in the model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is all the basins in the model. Now say you want to search for a specific one, you're going to put in the star key, and then I'm going to put in 1, and as you can see, basin 1 and basin 11 pop up, so that, and then you can see the features of that specific basin show up on the right. So let's say I want to find basin 2, I would just delete that 1, put 2 in instead, and there you go, it selects basin 2 and shows the components of that specific basin. So you can do this for any kind of element in the software. Just make sure you press that star key and then press the number that you're looking for, or whatever name. So let's say you named basin 4 basin alpha or something. You could put 4A and it should find it. I didn't name it alpha, so it's not gonna work. But star 4, basin 4 pops up. You can select it and it'll select the features of that basin. So this is really handy for large models with lots and lots of elements in it that you can quickly navigate the software. So that's how you navigate in the program WHMM-SWMM. Let me know if you have any questions, leave it down below in a comment, and I'll see you next time.